Amy here with another update on Syntel Forms. This month's release is all about tab styles and signatures. We've extended the theming feature to enable you to apply styling to any tabbed sections used on your forms. You can see 4 examples here. This is all achieved by simple CSS. To achieve these styles, you can go to the Form Designer. You select Settings, Theme and Styling, and you can see all the options for tabs along here. You can now define the typography for use for tabs, which includes the font type and size, the tab icon alignment and tab icon size. You can also control the styling of an active tab, including the colour used for text, background, icon and underline. In addition to this, you can define the icon for use for each tab within the tabbed section properties on the layout screen. This can be found over here. If you would like to know more about how to achieve these tab styles, we have an article on the Syntel Forums website. We are really excited about our new signatures feature. With so many people working from home and working remotely, lots of customers are asking us about signatures, specifically enabling people to easily participate in workflows or processes that require signatures. The features we have added permit both users within your organisation and external users to add their signatures to forms whenever this is required. Signatures can be added by drawing directly on the screen or by typing in your name. The form will then capture the signature, the individual's name and their IP address. This information will then be visible in the workflow history. So as an example, let's say I'm a teacher returning to work and I'm filling out this pre-return to work questionnaire in relation to COVID-19. As part of section 1, the form has automatically pulled in my school, my name, my manager, the principal Tom Clancy's name and the date. I move on to answering the 6 relevant questions in relation to COVID and returning to work. I have no symptoms. I haven't been diagnosed with COVID. We'll say yes, I have had contact with someone with COVID, and we'll say no to the rest of the questions. As you can see, a message has popped up here in red that says that as I've answered yes to a question, I'll have to get medical advice before returning to work. I will now select Actions and Submit Form. I can choose to add a comment if I wish, but I don't have to, and you can see it's going to make me sign it off. I have the choice then to either draw my signature or type it like so. And we'll click OK. When I submit my form, my manager, the principal, Tom Clancy, gets this email saying a new form has been submitted by a staff member and that they pose a risk. He can click here to review the form and either approve it or reject it. He can now see my answers and see it is not safe for me to return to work. He will click on Actions and he will reject it. As he is rejecting it, he will have to leave a comment here as a reason why. He's left his comment and he can sign it here, again by typing or drawing. Click OK. Now I, as the person who originally filled out this form, have received an email to notify me that my return to work form has been rejected. I can view my form here, and if I click on this workflow button, I'll be able to see the date and times of submissions and both our signatures, here and here. So as you can see, where previously forms could only prompt you to comment something before submitting a form, it can now prompt you to submit a signature as well. To add this feature to your form, we go into our Form Designer, select Workflow, and for this form I'll select Draft. I'll click on Submit Form, and I'll move the toggle button here to require a signature. We'll leave signature instructions, and we won't require them to comment. Similarly, once it's submitted, we can decide what happens. If Tom approves it, we won't require a comment and we will require a signature. And if Tom rejects it, we'll require both the comment and the signature. I hope you found this video useful. It covers all of the new features in the August update. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact with anyone on our team. Check out our website, syntelforums.com, and follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube for all of the latest updates. Thanks for watching!